Hello? My mic is cooked. No mic? We'll see. Is that Anthony that's still on here? I anticipate a way smaller stream today. Hello? 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 Okay, it works. What's up, Anthony? Do you not get any shares? Yeah, I got 0 shares raw. I know, it's so weird. I was really crashing out. Wait, but what size was your guys' request anyway? First time ever gotten 0? Dang. That's honestly a good thing. 10,000. Dang. Yeah, I've got a 0.8 times before. Well, that's crazy. Let me see. I don't know if it's that. I don't know what's happening, Anthony. I've never seen that before. I don't know. Yeah, I'm interested too. It's weird. Yeah, I should. Let's see. But that message is so weird. Some of you guys got some shares right though, right? Yeah, I can play some limit order honestly. But I ain't getting any shares, so I'm just confused. Got nothing. Yeah, it seems like most of us got nothing, honestly. You know the live price? It was glitch. Live flash is it's glitched for me, so I don't have right now. Um, 21. Well, I guess that's 21. 21.82. No, that's wrong. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so we'll be doing little orders today. I don't know how fast this one's gonna move, but if it doesn't really move fast, I plan on holding it a little bit longer, honestly. Then BitGo for sure. Probably hold it longer. Let me just go to my accounts here. I have 21.85. You go. I wonder if it's listed on the NASDAQ. Oh, it says on the NASDAQ. Let me see what the price of bids. Street. Alright, anybody in here not get anything besides 1 or 0 shares? Or nah? I'm surprised you have 11 people in here for, I thought it was going to be way smaller. Well, I don't know what I was expecting, but 21, yeah, 21.7. Yeah, I'm going to do a limit order. 0 out of 12,000. That's crazy. That is crazy. I wonder what's going on there. Nice. I mean, it's up right now, like almost $3 from IPO price. 3 different accounts too, Jeff. That's great. 3 different accounts. That usually doesn't happen. Maybe because it was like a small company. 2.12 billion dollars. Oh my god. Never mind. Mm-hmm. 1.2. I forgot. Backers raised 10 million per expected. Oh. Who is this on Reddit thread? I sure hope they're around for a while. All right. So here's what I'm gonna do. Valuation wise, the price tag's a little bit on the more expensive side, but just because of the numbers and the year-over-year growth, I'm just gonna put in a loan order. Am I logged out of my account? No way. I love it. Welcome in, guys. I wonder if anybody got more than 0. Life, yeah. No one in here got a single share. There's one person that said they got 1, but limit order for okay. 26 limit order. Let me do this one. No way. Yeah, well, let me do it. Cool. Dang, it has been a while since gotten 0 shares. All right, it's gonna be. I'm going with loan order. Price is 21, so I should probably put loan order as of right now. I'm just gonna say 23.5, and then adjust it later once it gets closer to the actual time. But I don't know. It's a small IPO, so maybe it'll come out earlier. Maybe closer to 9 o'clock, hopefully. All right, I'm gonna see if this thing. I want to see if it's listed on the Nasdaq website, so we can get multiple sources of predicting the price. Okay. Volume. Jeff. All right, Jeff. That was you who sent the Nasdaq last time. I'm putting mine at 23.5 right now, just to get a little bit above the current price right now. Thank you. Or stick. Thank you. So HTTP EQT. Oh yeah, probably. I usually give at least one share though. That's where they had none for anybody. Life LIE. Yeah, it does have it currently at 20. I just pulled it up right now. Powered by NASDAQ Basics. Yeah, the main thing when I was looking over this S1 filing was the astronomical growth in the company. It was like 100% 2024 and like 50% year over year. But the valuation was like much higher than the other companies. But I don't think it'll matter too much. Sorry for the late stream. We have a little bit of technical difficulties, but we're up now, and that's good. That's good. I'm actually getting a new phone today. Today, guys, I'm getting a new phone because my current phone, the SIM card is not registering, and we try to fix it, and it's not working. So it's under warranty though, so I'm getting a new phone free. That makes such a good question because the stock market's down. Let me see how much and why. Oh, it just woke up. 1%. And that gets a good chunk of change right there. Why is the NASDAQ up? And that's what I'm supposed to do. Never mind. I'm slow. It's down 1%. That is a good amount. So as you've seen from like before, bad market conditions are not good for IPOs. I mean, I'll just play it by ear and keep an eye to see if there's like a bounce back or anything last minute, but I'll just exert more caution and make my little order a little smaller than it is, honestly. Hopefully it shouldn't have that much influence on like this tiny little insurance company. So I wanted to worry about it too much. The day Bitcoin come out, Bitcoin was taking it was like 1%, but compared 1% to Bitcoin is like 0.1% for the S&P 500, like for volatility. So, like, I mean, Aflac's up right now. I mean, yeah, Aflac. Oh fuck. That's fine. Like generally, who's buying Aflac stock? Like this thing's horrible. Like, you know what I've noticed about these these insurance stocks is they have the lowest P ratios I've ever seen. That's probably because they don't make that much money or like they don't have that much growth. Well, Ethos does. That's why it's at 22. But like Aflac is supposed to be super expensive valuation wise, and it's only at a 14 PE, which is kind of crazy. I think it's because all the other stock market companies, like now that we're looking at them, like 20 PE and above is like normal. Oh, my the ticker for me finally updated. It's at 19. It said like 1 something, but it's updated now. I'm gonna keep my eye on the chart. I wouldn't be surprised if it actually did come out sooner, but my I'm set at 23 right now. Oh, YSS. I never really did get back to you on that. When does that come out, RNG King? Is that on Weeble? Is that on Weeble though? I have Weeble. Damn. Um, was what was that on Weeble, by the way? RNG. Also, do you end up picking up any of those? Oh, 30%. That's not bad. Are York Defense Rock? Oh. Pretty popular. I count today. Unfortunately, I got 0 shares too, man. I don't know. Oh, they're kind of tiny. Wait. Never mind. They're kind of huge. 4 billion? What are they IPO at? 34? That's a pretty good bump. That's a pretty good bump. The last space IPO I was watching like live here, and I was before I was streaming, but it was Firefly. I wonder how they're doing now. I don't really make a lot of money off of it. Well, it's a bad company. Let me see. I tanked because they're a trash company. Well, they're up. I mean, they're up. Has it been a whole year? No, it hasn't. It hasn't been a whole year since they came out, unless I'm just stupid. Huh. Just join how I've only ones and zeros, mostly zeros, young, mostly zeros. Oh, come on, man. It's literally hovering around 20 right now, the IPO price. The rich get richer. Don't worry, we'll have better IPOs in the future. I mean, limit orders, I could put like as much as I want into it, but for these ones, I don't go too heavy. I don't go too heavy in these. Well, it probably is a lot. Like $1,000 is a lot, but oh, it's coming out on SoFi. 110 shares. Okay, I should have made a video on them. How to make bread. Wait, is it on the NASDAQ as well, or where is it at? I can just look it up myself by typing them out. Exchange is I didn't tell me. Right. YSS. Yellowstone Mineral Holdings LLC. Right. Hopefully it pumps. Oh, I don't think it's in the Nasdaq. If it is in the Nasdaq, I can't pull it up here. I'm just gonna. What's Gold Dome? Yes, bro. If there's news about that, it's gonna pump, bro. Should I don't know anything about the company, so I don't know if it would be wise for me to even try to invest in there. I actually don't know anything about it. Yo, did my tab just close? Come back here. Come back here, little man. Yeah, they're stay open. Trump's Gold Dome. Limit. Oh, my bad. Wrong quantity. My bad. Oh my goodness. My posture is not it. Place that order. They already got government contracts. Nice. Depending what government contract that is, that's a very vague word. Let me see if they're listed on here for me. York Space System stock is listed. Wow. I did. Honestly, I might have tried to do something with them, but I don't. I mean, it seems good though, from what you're telling me, but I don't know. Is there anybody else in that one or no? Equipment share down 6%. Big good on 2%. Wonderful. So I don't hold them. Huh. Yeah, where is he at? Cold. Don't. Tempted, but I can't. Yeah, I mean, if Ethos comes out first, I'll just like switch to that one and just see what happens when it opens up. But I'm just gonna stick with life for this one. Well, I never fried who's on so far. Man. What if anybody actually made any videos about that? Probably, right? Not gonna lie, I don't see a single video about this stock. Gemini? Oh. I looked up YSS IPO and there's just new video I just didn't see. It says Gemini, the worst IPO I've ever seen. I gotta watch that video. Is Bitco gonna make the list? Hey, what new video idea? Top 5 greatest and worst IPOs 2025 to 2026. I would say, look, it might come around more on 9, 10-ish. It's very small. Question: how did this guy pull this many views? It's probably because he's already a big channel. Yeah. Greed. What a thumbnail. Bro, you have Alfred. Is it Alfred? Alfonso asking me what is the exact IPO time. I think it should come out 9:10 Pacific. That's like what, 12:10 Eastern. Makes the satellites. Video about Trump and Gold Dome contract with the YSS on their companies. I'm surprised Robinhood didn't want to take that up. Interesting. Well, that's probably my fault for like not knowing why, not even knowing it was there. And I definitely saw your comment, RNG Kings, or someone else's about it. I think I just went over my head. Wow. Yeah, it's just hovering at like 1950, 1975. The IPO of Ethos. Life will be dream. Satellites. Yeah, I was for like me to actually own it, I have to see what kind of backlog they have. Like companies like that, like they have contracts and like set up like way in the future, which is like a backlog where they're gonna basically pull in revenue before they even do it to see how much they could potentially earn. The Nasdaq.com. I'll just put it in the chat again, honestly. No, because last time, if it's listed on the Nasdaq, they have like this bid plus price prediction thing, which will allow me to see like what prices should open up at. No problem, Michael. I keep thinking your name's Michael Porter, but it's not. Is it? Okay. I will hold the door. Thank you. Yeah, I need to watch out for the door because my phone's coming today. I need to sign off on it. Because I'm not just going to drop it on the door. Well, my phone is out for delivery. Getting an upgrade. $9. I have not looked at for me since I sold it off. I mean, it's hard to value a company with literally no revenue. 70% down. Wowee. I mean, it doesn't seem like you're doing much. If you really like the company, that's probably the optimal time to buy it. Really can't come down from there, honestly. See, and look at like Fermi. We made like what's it called? Like 30%, 50% first day on that. 404 Air. I swear I typed this in right. Nasdaq.com/market -activity/stock live. Come on, try again. Nasdaq.com/market-hack. It's my fault. Okay, I'm gonna put the link in chat right. Oh my gosh, it's just going down. I've been buying it this week. I wouldn't like high risk, high reward, my friend. Here's a link in chat, by the way, for if you want to check the price of Ethos. But I have not looked at it since the day after the IPO, so I don't know if any new things came out. I don't know if they reported earnings, which they might have, and they probably tanked more because there probably wasn't any earnings. But If you don't mind a little non-speculative play in their portfolio, I don't think they're that bad. I mean, they're trying to be the number one hybrid power plant in Texas. Well, also in the United States. I have made a mid offer me buying a dip and selling. They just need to make an announcement for the first big client, in my opinion. Yeah. It's like for that company, it's gonna be very volatile based off news like that because they're like they need to announce if they're how up to schedule they are on building our power plants right now. They just need to announce their schedule. Because they have everything listed out. If you looked at their company and you looked at what their plans are, they have everything listed out what they want to do. It's just are they hitting what they projected to do and how fast are they doing it? I mean, the CEO is the CFO is the former governor of Texas and one of the largest donors to Trump, and they're in Texas. It's a red state. So, I don't know. It's at least insiders look pretty good for that company for a water source. It's good. Yeah, I don't usually go on my way to go to past IPOs and buy them again. Won't go away, and I told you that I don't want. No problem. It's initial public offering, which means it's the first time it's initially publicly offered on the market because these are all private companies. What they do is they first have to put all the information public in a SEC filing, saying we're ready to go public, we can if we want to, and everything's out there. And the S1 filing where they actually say, oh, we're gonna go public, and here's more information and exactly when we're gonna go public. Well, expected to go public, and then they go public. A lot of accounting jargon, investment bankers and stuff. But yeah, it's for example, Chick-fil-A, In-N-Out, Aldi's. They're all private companies. They're not on the stock. If you look this company up, it's not on the stock market. It's private, and it could do an IPO. Yeah, for sure. I'll definitely buy that. A lot of people don't know who it is, at least in California. But I would definitely. I love In-N-Out. But a lot of the problems with some of those stores, I don't know if they are, but a lot of those they're family-owned businesses. So that means each individual store is owned by a different person, locally. So those type of companies can never go public. But I don't know if In-N-Out's family owned, owned pound. Was it at 25? Probably. It's down 70%. It's at 9. So it was once point at 25. I think it opened. It probably IPO'd around 24, honestly. Or maybe IPO'd at 20 and it shot up to 25. I'm not exactly sure what it was at. And I told you that I don't want to stay. Black zero, zero, 0, I'm 1. Almost all zeros. If you were playing a slot machine, you win big today because everybody has the same number. Of Ethos Black Sheep? Of Ethos? Life? You got 50 shares? Out of how many? That's insane. Literally nobody in here got anything. Some person even got a notification saying they weren't allocating any shares. Huh. Petrobras. I'm unfamiliar As in, I'm not familiar with that name. Petrobras. Provide oil and gas rise in. Huh. I am not familiar with that oil and gas company. One IPO I was really interested in was there's a uranium mining company that was going to come out internationally, but I was like, there's no way I should dabble in that because I've never done an international Webull IPO before. I had no idea what that even looked like. Maybe it's still listed. Just because I glaze uranium, honestly. Because I made a lot of my money off of nuclear and uranium stuff, so. Yeah, I told you that I don't want to stay. Yeah, a lot of my money is actually tied up in power grid stocks right now. Power providers. I'm at limits at 23. I'm moving down. I'm moving down to like 21. IPO Center. Energy. Is that it? Battery storage systems. Oh, public to place an allocation order, and it's probably the brokerage you. Are you saying assuming we use Publix? Most I think for 95% of people that use IPOs, I don't think they use Public. Sorry, not Publix. Public. It's it's the white with the two blue circles. Public. That app. Interesting. The most popular IPO app is definitely Robinhood, and then number 2 I'm gonna say is Webull and SoFi. Yeah, no. I don't think anybody in here uses Public besides you. Unless I'm wrong, someone correct me in chat, but Public. I don't know, maybe that's a sleeper. Maybe it just allocates more shares. I told you. Black sheep. Little sheep, little sheep. ISS. Wow, I mean, one person got shares. Hooray! I mean, it's looking like if we did get shares, what is that, like $1 off of 5%? You guys at 5% more. Robinhood is really easy to use and really easy to use. Some people would say too easy to use. Guapo, Taz, because it makes it really easy to just gamble, honestly. Cash App to invest. That's Block, owned by Block. It's also one that's not as common, but honestly, whatever works for anybody. What is happening? They're just showing what apps they use to invest. Public, Block, SoFi, Robinhood, Webull. I guess, but we're just waiting for the IPO to come out. No. Sorry, I remember better names, but yeah, we're just waiting for it to come out. And price right now is at 19. So not looking up too hot, but if it opens up the IPO prices, I could ask for it. And then we'll see after that with loan order. Surprised we have 16 people here for this little life insurance company. You guys should have been in here for equipment. You guys come for Ethos, but not my number 1 ranked IPO. Come on. I told you that. Ethos Technology mission is to protect families by democratizing access to life insurance and empowering agents to scale. Achieve missions. Yeah, that's the most generic thing I've ever heard in my life. Come in, guys. We're just chilling. There is a link in chat. I Like, let me just click it to make sure it works. But it's gonna give live price updates on Ethos technology. So you're gonna click on it, and it's gonna say data not currently available. You scroll down to the little blue box, and it's gonna say where the bid ask is. That's basically what's gonna predict what it's gonna want to come out as. If you're interested in how to track IPO prices out the Freedom 24 app, it's just that link plus a ticker at the end, and if it works, it works. You know, if it's listed on the Nasdaq and it's big enough, it'll be on there. If not, then it kind of sucks. Thanks, Jeff, for putting us on. Jeff wasn't chat, probably isn't anymore because he probably has work or something or school, but Jeff's the GOAT. My gosh. Bro, I told my W2 form is going to be absolute mess, dude. For all these IPOs bought and sold. Oh my god. Before I started IPOs, I would literally never sell anything within a year because I hate doing tax form. Anybody else excited for their W2s? Yes, there is people in here investing in YSS. I've been hearing it. If you're investing in YSS, there's this wonderful person that I'll talk about it. I'm unemployed. No, you're just what's the word? What's the word? You don't want to call it that. You're just cyclically unemployed. No. You're just open to opportunity, some dude. That's what you are. You're self-employed. Entrepreneur. Dreamer. Go-getter. Unemployed. I'm hoping to get a swim cool position though soon though. That's great. Some dude. Anthony, that's great. Coaching positions, and especially in the sport you actually play, are awesome. Where we even gotta say, honestly, since it's probably legally your location. But it's awesome. Yeah, I coached basketball for a little bit, but for like little kids, like ages like let's say ages 8. No, it's probably like 6 through 12. I did little kids basketball. And that's what my brother's doing right now. He's doing like little kids basketball as well for the city. Hint. Oh, I understand what that is. Like assistant coaching? Then? Why are you doing that right now? Oh, that's not. That's Rocky. Right. Wow. Bitcoin. First day. I don't know if I expect a first day pop. Hopefully, but I don't like holding IPOs after the first day. I don't. Never. Have I ever? No, I haven't. Unless it's like one share. I don't. They're so small, little tiny things compared to other companies. Look for free pizza today. No, for equipment share, we use free fish fillets from McDonald's. Why did I think of fish fillets? I don't mean go to McDonald's. But yeah, free pizza. For sure, bro. I expect low volatility, so I might sit on it for a little bit and just see what's gonna happen. Free pizza. Wonderful. I mean, at least I made like $100 on both. That's a lot of pizzas. Bro, I need to lock in and post on this stupid app, bruh. I need money. Yo, is Nathan Roberts. Nathan Roberts in class, in college. Dang, bro would be a millionaire if you have to pay for tuition already. That's insane. See, Nathan Roberts is the most locked in guy I know, bro. On Instagram and what is it, TikTok? He just be streaming all the time, like 4 hours straight. Don't switch him. Don't worry. For me to blow up, I'd have to post something besides IPO since it's so niche. I won't switch up, guys. Just pay $3K in tuition, bro. If you really think about it, that's like minus $15K for your future stock profits, Nathan. Hopefully, I can get down payment on an apartment. Say, let's go. I'm moving out in 5 days. In this economy, that's such a big W, black sheep. Good luck to you with that. Please remember us. I don't think I'll forget you as long as you have that number 3, bro. Comparing, that's pretty cheap compared to college tuition. Well, we don't know if that was just like winter or how many classes he's taking, or if that's spring, or maybe he's going to CC, or it's just online, you know. But that is in the Lord. Knowing Nathan, I don't think he'd want to spend $30,000 for tuition anyway, or. Rust moments. Oh my goodness, no. 1875. 4K a semester. Cal Poly, that's on the Cal Poly slow. That's on the other side. That's on the lower side. Hey man, it's not. After the semester, I should qualify for a Hope Scholarship. The cost should go down a lot. Let's go, bro. I'm literally doing anything I can to go cheaper. Like, I'm at community college right now for the first 2 years, and I'm going to transfer out just so I can save a little bit of moolah, you know? Hope. Bro hopes he gets that scholarship. I'm kidding. Your bro's going to get it. Jobs, that's what you should do. Jobs only look good at where you graduate. That's true. That's true. Yeah, bro. I'm just working your standard 9 to 5, $1 above minimum wage job right now. Only to. And then last year graduates at a big college or something. That's what's up. Is that what you did? That's the method though. It's unpatched. If the price is 19 still, so people are interested in IPO, what do you think will happen when it opens? Loki's under IPO price. Oh, it's at IPO price. I don't know why they give us any shares. But honestly, it's at IPO price. Valuation is kind of high. Numbers look good. So I'm just going to buy a little bit, dip my toes in, see how it rolls out. But yeah, let's see how it goes, honestly. What's the move if you didn't get any shares? We're going to try limit order here, but I think it's really low risk because at this one, it doesn't seem like it's one drop fast. So maybe make a good little fish fillet off of it, some pizza, like what's the name said, free pizza. CLEP test. It's $45 for 3 credit hours. It's 1 hour online test, and if you fail it, don't report it to your college. So no downsides besides the 20 CLEP. I honestly don't know exactly what that is. Let me see what that is. Why did I search up stock like it was a ticker symbol? Oh, College Board prep. So you're just getting. Okay, I know what you're talking about. I didn't know you can do College Boards outside of high school. That's crazy. But I guess the credits are the exact same then. It's like self-study. So are you like doing all your GEs with that method and then you're just gonna transfer after to like a 4 year after? Or you're just gonna get a 2 year certificate? Bro, what is wrong with my cord? Oh, it's stuck. About it. It's easy to get hours and low cost with having classes on campus. That might be better than my method, bro. Nah. Yeah, but my CC is not expensive. I mean, I'm paying less than like $1,000, like around 1,000 a year. So after 2 years, it'd be like 2,000, honestly. And I got a lot of benefits. Actually, I like going in person, so. But right now, it's still winter for me technically, so I have 3 6-week courses I'm doing right now. So I'm also doing an accounting internship right now. So and we're gonna once when soon we're gonna be taking clients to do their tax form for them. About 10 different tax forms. So I'll be more versed and will equipped for the accounting side. I see. 23 limit order? That's what I said before, but I mean, just hovering around 19. You'd probably be safe at anything over anything at 20, honestly. Where at? Me? You want me to just leak my location for free? Is there donations on this app? I'll leak my location for my college location for $5. Bro, Young is really about to pull up to my college, dude. Well, it's community college. Don't do it, bro. Break the matrix. Dude, you gotta be in the matrix to escape the matrix. If you think about it, right? Like you gotta be in the matrix to escape the matrix. If I become employed, I want it's not me. I'm not thinking about myself. I'm with the firm, so you have to come in and see what forms you have. We do all the standard ones basically, but there's some exceptions. And it's free. It's free. I'm at Mount Sac. So if you have forms and you don't want to pay like $300 for like TurboTax to do something like a K9 or something like that, W2, then you just go there. When it I don't know how they advertise it, but we had like 600 clients last year, so it was cool. Yeah, it's just chilling at that price. Haven't had an IPO open under price in a minute. Besides Navon, and then what was next? Like Legions. Hella close to you? Holy stalker. Young, do I know you or something, bro? Why are you so close to me? I know some dudes close to me, but bro, why do you want to cut it so close? Okay, actually, no, you're right. You're right. I'm slow. Let's put at 20. So no one's staying. Yeah, it's kind of close, but I don't think it'll jump like $1 that fast, you know? Who are you, bro? Why are you located near me, bro? Like, there's a ton of there's so many states in the United States and so many counties, bro. Yeah. They have classes for that. They also they also have biking classes in that same parking lot. Or like you probably just maybe parents taught you stick, or you taught yourself stick there, but they also have bike classes there. Young, do I know you or no? You're just like a random who happens to be in my area. Alabama, yeah, like that. That's what I expect. There's UK, EU, Ohio, maybe Nevada at closest. You know, what should I play? See, like $20 is fine. Went back to 19. Celebration rules the nation. No, what a flop! Don't flop. No, I'm probably not. I'm not. Isn't that not LA County? Or is it Orange? Diamond Bar is literally like right here. Pretty much all in on a Doug. Like, you mean all your available cash? If you are, you should tone that down. Like, it's gonna be more later. Bro, some dude's the biggest. I'm not a gambler. Well, I gotta go now. Good luck, Nathan, on your classes. See you soon, brother. No, I will. I said, bro, I'll hop into one of your streams. I haven't been in your TikTok streams in a long time. I'll definitely head over there. Appreciate you hopping in my stream, Nathan. You're the goat. You're the goat. Oh, a separate long-term account. Nice. Wait, did I reach seven? Did I reach 700 subs yet? Oh, that keep going kind of slow. Let me see. Whoa! I gained 6 subs since last night. Let's go. Probably a good amount from the stream as well. 705 subscribers. Road to 1K. Bro, that's not bad. I mean, you're not paying for like much, right? Yeah, I'm only at $20 right now. I generally don't know if it's gonna do anything, but we'll be fine. Like at IPO price like this, and it's not a crypto IPO, it should be fine just to do this and sit on it. Oh, my sister. Please make a comeback, S&P 500. Bro, I can't believe I'm getting a new phone today. Finally, I've been stuck on this phone for 6 years. Estimated yearly earnings. I don't like anything. Give me that estimate now, please. No. You need to have like a certain amount of what's it called? To run ads, you need a certain amount of watch hours. It's 4,000 watch hours in 1 year. It includes live streams. So if we keep getting IPOs like this, I'll for sure hit it. I'm averaging like anywhere from 700 to 100 viewers, and the hours count when you're watching that. So nice. But so if I get any sponsors, I'll probably make more. But like, what would I even promote though? Probably like a brokerage. I need to make more ETF content. Regret not holding it. Is it not down right now? That's gotta be like my second instance. I mean, it's back down. Like, you can't know when it's gonna go up or down, bro. You can't know. All you gotta do is take the best exit and interest possible. Anyone in social want to buy a brand new MacBook? Never opened? I would be interested if I used MacBooks. I use Chromebooks, so. And he's local. YouTube channel revenue? Where do you check that? It's like a website, right? Can you explain limit order a little more, and what would you recommend? I got you, Noah. Sorry, I'm definitely saying that wrong. Yeah, I got you. So, I don't know if you know how to set one. It's out. Okay, it's out. Sorry with limit order. It's kind of hard to do it now because it's literally out right now. I set 910 and it's 914. I'm kind of good. Uh, is it like not moving or what? Oh my goodness, it's actually doing nothing. Wow, it's just why is my app's like freezing up? Yeah, it's not good. Black sheep. Out of all this IPOs you could have got filled on, you got filled on this one. Unfortunate. My Charles Schwab just doesn't want to load. Honestly, my monies. Yeah, yeah, your monies. Dude, I can't believe one of my picks is literally gonna go as a negative. There's no way. We'll see. We'll see. Once I get out, no, I will explain a little order to you for next time. Don't worry, dude. Maybe it can my Robin Hood. At least pros. Maybe my Robin Hood will update better. I know it's wrong with my child. Where's it at right now?
How many people you got on this shit?
All right, see ya.
How many people you got?
Month 12. Mm-hmm. I got it in 1950, but it's at down to. Dude, what you doing, man?
Bro, I can see the camera.
Where did I get mine at? Oh my goodness. Half and half. Bro, you gonna see in the camera, bro?
Yeah, you smart.
Life. Oh my gosh, I got cut. Day change. Yeah. Yeah, bro. This is horrible. Yeah. Dude, I can't believe I'm gonna hit a negative. No, my streak is literally gone. My streak's actually gonna be gone, bro. I mean, nothing you do. Yeah, bro, I'm getting it, dude. And I could hold. I'll hold some, but damn. I guess you can't win them all. I'm so, my bad, black sheep. My bad, black sheep. Oh god, yeah, that should have spiked out. Oh fuck. Oh no, I know some dude is still in. That was definitely no bueno at all. And I know us, half of you guys are probably still inside of there, so. Down, hold on, 7%. 6, 7. My track record is stained forever. $2,000 shares? Michael. Maybe pizza. Yeah. But Michael has 2,000 shares, bro. Oh my god. I'm sorry, Michael, bro. Mm. Mm. Oh my gosh. This is not good. Looks. Thanks for kind of being supportive, guys. Don't worry. What do I learn from this? One, I guess valuation matters, kind of, and more importantly, two, backing matters. This thing had like less than 5% backing. At one point, what was it, like $2 billion valuation? Maybe. Wow, is it Mark? I don't know how it would just go down like that. I know, look, it's kind of low, but damn. Going back to Iron. Iron's my biggest one ever, bro. At one point, I was at 700% Iron, but it was like barely anything, obviously. Yeah, it kind of is my fault, Gavin, bro. I'm in here telling people to freaking put their money in, and I just sold. Yeah. I have a buddy who put in a lot more, but I don't think he messes with limit orders. Sad sight. I'm not even gonna go to YSS, bro. I just want to chill this one out. YSS is also out, and it's not doing anything either. I mean, probably better than this. Shoot. That was very weird. Stock accident ended up bad, but we learned. York's up. Yeah, let's start opening at like what it opened at 35 was. Next time, no problem. Yeah. Oh, I'm so disappointed. All right, I gotta look. I'm gonna look in to see what went wrong besides market, and then I'll let you. I'll probably post like a mini. I'm gonna post a mini update on what went wrong with this one. Like I'll look at numbers. Yeah, I'm unfortunately got out literally like right. It just spiked down from like 3% to 9 instantly. I don't know what that was about. Someone probably just dumped all the shares. Yeah. Man, it's probably because low backing, but Yeah, I'll come with brief update to see when I see my reasoning why I think it opened down. Just so I can try to avoid it for next time. No, I'm not buying a dip. Just take my loss and move on, honestly, dude. Honestly, I'll start researching right now. That's kind of early. Log in. Buy the death stock? Are you talking about this one? Okay, right. Huh. Okay, more? Oh, okay, some more. Let's go York, bro. I look, you picked the wrong one today. Gemini. It's done now? York, you said York's done? Like, it's getting for. Oh. Yeah, I had its space thing. I had space run. Gemini. Am I in the right? Expand. Yeah, that's what we did for the other, for sure with Bicko, but York, what's it called? Ethos did not give us any chance to do that at all. I appreciate all the support, guys, even after this loss here. Dang. Unemployment compensation, that's the wrong one. Can I switch my account, please? Oh, sorry. There. I'm just doing research on Ethos right now just to figure out our thesis on why I think it's dropped. Man, I should have been locked in. Alright, I think the main red flag besides. So we have obviously the market is down today, which obviously doesn't help. Obviously doesn't help. It's bouncing back though, so it's not even that bad. Guess stay away from insurance companies for now, and then insider buying was less than 5% of the shares. So I guess okay. I guess a new rule: any insider buying that's less than 5% of the shares bought up, I guess I'm gonna stay out. Won't do major red flag. Um, equipment share at 20%. Had 20%, which is huge for a $6 billion company, and Bitco even had 15, which will probably allowed it to do well at the very beginning. CEO Michael Porter. Michael, did next time, if you got any personal questions and like that, my DMs are open. My YouTube chats are open as well. Messages, whatever, hit me up. Anyway, guys, yeah, I'm just looking. I'm doing research on Ethos to figure out what I'm wrong here, and then I'm gonna head out very soon here. Sent you. I'm literally stupid. Yo, how did I miss it? Damn, man. I'm literally slow. Damn. That has to be top 10 fumbles of all time right there. Yes, right. He's not sending me a photo of that. Alright. I'm gonna post the first update video. Alright, first video of the day. I don't want my family images in the back. I'm trying to get doxxed like Jonah. There's no people would even dox me though, right? You guys would never dox me? Well, that's how I lost you guys like everything. Should probably be valid. Dox me. Okay. Okay. Ethos IPO just came out, and it's one of the. Okay. How do I shut this off? Ethos IPO just came out, and unfortunately, we did lose a little bit of money on this. One of the first ones in a while. But here's what I think went wrong. Let's see. Here's what went wrong with Ethos IPO, and how can we use this to know next time to value other companies and decide if they're going to tank the same way Ethos did. If you didn't know, Ethos opened up at IPO price a little bit under, and we ended up losing around 3. And some people, yeah, we can this guy something. I'm gonna close this for a sec. Oh, what, you're talking about YSS? Come back. You're Ham King. Alright, I'm gonna make a video. Okay. The most important things I learned from the Ethos IPO loss and how to avoid it for future IPOs. Ethos opened at IPO price, and then after that, it took a little drop, 3 to 5%, where some of us sold out, and people who kept holding ended up losing back down to like 10 to even 15%. It's one of my first losses in a long, long time. I've had a lot of break evens and a lot of profits, but none losses like this past 5%. Fortunately, I was able to sell at 3%, but not other people were as fortunate. And there should be at least some pop before this. So here's what I think went wrong on my end of the valuation side. So what I looked at was I looked at the valuation and it was expensive peer-to-peer based on the stock market at a 22 PE compared to the average of under 14. But that's not really the reason, since other IPOs popped off before and had a higher valuation. Year-over-year growth looked good, and previous year-over-year growth was 100% and 50% compared to the sector. So I thought that was enough to do it, even though there wasn't hype. But just because there wasn't enough hype wasn't also the reason, it's just a contributing factor. The stock market was also down a good 1% today, which is a good chunk of change, which could contribute, but I don't think it was what pushed it to losing this much. What I really should have been focused on, just besides the pure numbers, is looking at the backing and the amount of funds being sold by insiders. So when we look at the S1 filings and the other filings of the companies, we can determine which companies are going to publicly come out and state, oh, we're backing this company, and how many of the existing shares that are being sold on IPOs are being sold by insiders. And I did know that 5%, less than 5% of the company was being bought back by backing or insiders, compared to equipment shares 20 to 25%, which is absolutely huge, and even BitGo's 10 to 15%. Even though BitGo was a trash company, it allowed it to jump up at the very beginning. Now, when I talk about the VC exits, the venture capital exits, it's going to sound kind of stupid. We have BitGo at 7%, equipment share with no insiders exiting, and Ethos with almost 50% of the shares coming from insiders that sold an IPO. Yes, that is entirely my fault. I failed to look at those numbers and just really focus on valuation and even hype around it. It wasn't really another Phoenix IPO situation where I can just do pure valuation. It was amazing because the valuation wasn't good. It was just very good numbers for the sector, and I thought would push up regardless of the backing. But going forward, I will be looking out for the number of insider sellers with the amount of shares coming out and the amount of backing, and then use that to compare it to peer review on the stock market, valuation, numbers, and hype, all in one with that. Unfortunately, this is our first loss, but I think we should have more wins in the future using my new knowledge gained from this loss. All right, here's my video. It's jumping crazy right now. Jet IPO did the same thing one day after IPO jumped 150. That's looking a little circly. Life is getting fun. Right. All right, once I post this video, RNG Kings, I'm actually gonna be headed out though. Appreciate you staying in here. I just gotta post an update because I totally love. Okay. Okay, cam cut. I gotta edit this. Man.
The most important thing.
It's true. No ethos. Let's go. Picked right. Picked right. Or I'll do better next time. I would have stocked so much. My boy Michael didn't have 2,000 shares. It's alright. More to come in the future. Okay. I'm gonna overdo why I don't want to say it like that. Tanked. Why ethos? Is there like a lighter way to say tanked? Is there? What was that? If you guys have any questions about anything, just let me know though. Since you guys are just in here. Okay, I'm just gonna say sold off. Mm-hmm.
The most important things I learned from the Ethos IPO loss and how to avoid it for future
Mm-hmm. All right, see you guys next time. Thank you guys for staying in here.